Hello students, welcome to English class. I am your English teacher. So students, in last lecture we have learned the second chapter, Daydreams. So in this lecture I have given you some extra questions with their answers. So read the all questions and answers. How did the couple spend their time? The couple spent their time in idle talk. Who spent a lot of time in idle talk? A couple spent their time in idle talk. When was the husband going to buy a few cows? The husband was going to buy a few cows if by chance he gets some extra money from somewhere. What did the husband want to buy if he got extra money? The husband wanted to buy a few cows if he got some extra money. Why did the wife feel that looking after cows is a lot of work? She feels that looking after the cows is lot of work because you have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. How many cows did the wife want to buy? The wife wanted to buy only one cow. Why didn't the wife agree to buy a lot of cows? The wife didn't agree to buy a lot of cows because she felt that keeping cows is a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, and milk them. How did the husband convince the wife to buy cows? The husband convinced his wife by telling her that they will get a lot of milk if they have more cows. Did the wife agree to buy more cows? Yes, the wife agreed to buy the cows as the husband convinced her that they will get a lot of milk if they have more cows. How was the wife going to use the earthen pots? She was going to use one of the pot for milk, one for dahi, and one for butter. What did the wife plan to do with the remaining pot? The wife planned to send the remaining pot of milk to her sister. What are the different things obtained from milk? We get dahi, butter, ghee, paneer, and buttermilk from milk. How was the wife going to store the ghee? The wife was going to store the ghee in another jar. Who heard all the commotion and rushed in? Gopal Bhan heard all the commotion and rushed in. What antics did Gopal Bhan perform? After Gopal Bhan rushed into the house and heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in the corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. What did Gopal Bhan say he was doing? Why? Gopal Bhan say he was driving away the greedy cows that were wandering in his field as they had ruined his lovely field of beans and cucumber. Did Gopal Bhan have a field? No, Gopal Bhan did not have a field. What did Gopal Bhan want to tell the husband and wife? Gopal Bhan wanted to tell the husband and wife that they were foolishly arguing, smashing pots and screaming uselessly over their daydreams. What is the difference between a dream and a daydream? A dream is one's ambition or goal in life that one would like to achieve. A dream could also mean some thoughts that come to one's mind while sleeping. A daydream is wishful thinking. Name the two vegetables mentioned in the chapter. The two vegetables mentioned in the chapter are beans and cucumbers. What did Gopal Bhan make the husband and wife realize? Gopal Bhan wanted to make the husband and wife realize that they were foolishly arguing over their daydreams. Frame a sentence with raised eyebrows. My father looked at me with raised eyebrows when I did not secure the scholarship. Give a synonymous of ruined. Ruined means destroyed. So students, this is your homework. Write down all the extra questions with its answer in the notebook. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.